it, and no one's gonna look at it.
No.
Like,
It's the night before GTR Festival, and we've just managed to get it back together after a gutter jumped out. We'll be there. Thank you, Pete.
Where's
This one, there's no cover.
no, find a car that does so you can do it here. Otherwise, it's smooth. Full modified.
Yeah.
Welcome to GTR Fest 2025 with GT Evolution, Dahtone Racing, and of course, Dahtone's insanely gorgeous R32 Carbonite.
Stay, don't you go. You make my every cell flow, my every breath slow and calm. Yeah, that's how you make me feel I'm yours. You